On top sports matter, Bendel Insurance Football Club of Benin don Wallop Crown Football Club of Ogbomoso 4-0 for Sam Ogbomoso Stadium. Bendel Insurance over the weekend don sama Crown Football Club of Ogbomoso 4-0. Una go remember say Bendel Insurance Football Club of Benin don ready gidigba to go Nigeria Professional Football League (NPFL). Ojo Tolulope scored the first goal for the 17th minute. Sarki Ishmael scored the second goal for the 20th minute before halftime. Insurance no rest for the 2-0 lead for halftime. Now dem come mama another 2 goals for second half, where Bright Osa and Sarki Ishmael score.
I'm excited, happy that this is our last match at home, and we won all our matches. That is one good news. And the other good news is that we played all our matches here and there was no incident. We are not like Remo that every match they must abandon or the fans will go and be beating players. We have successfully hosted all of them, including Remo, on this pitch. And there was no incident. And you can see in all our matches from day one to the end, after every match, the players come together and pray together and walk out of the field together. We made a promise that we want to change the face of football. We want to have a disciplined team and want to have a disciplined fans. Fans that we know that this is just sports and you don't win always, but you wish to win. So we have been able to prove that point. Our players are disciplined, and when you check the total number of yellow cards and red cards that our players have gotten so far, compared to other clubs, you will see that we have a disciplined team. And our fans also, they have not been, even when there are some matches here that we feel the referees were harsh, our fans will only make noise, but nobody throw any stone, nobody throw any bottle can, water can or anything. They can make their noise, but nobody is hurt. So we are celebrating that, and we are using this as a role model to other clubs, especially Remo, that they should come for us to teach them how to be disciplined, how to make sure that our players are disciplined, fans are disciplined, an environment that sport will strive. So that is what we are selling to Nigeria, and we are happy that we just concluded our home match this season and we're able to prove that point that Benin City is a place where you play your football without intimidation. For us, we take every game as we meet it, and if you check, it will have been more than 4 goals. We miss a lot of goals, and I've told one of my co-player that is owing us 2 goals. Those 2 headers is owing us 2 goals. So we take every match as we made it. And today, being the last match of the home match, I think it was a gift for the fans and a gift to Edo to end our home match in a grand style.
Our Tori person wait and that for the matter for the match. Now I be who former Wanogo.
We don't see the match that happened today between Bendel Insurance and Crown FC of Ogbomoso. The match ended 4-0. We see our players them do very well, and even the deputy governor, when one of the players commend their efforts, and he calls it talk say one of their players they owe them 2 goals because of the 2 chances when he missed. Overall, the match makes sense. Fans when he come, they support the players well, and even after the whole match, some players them get small cash rewards for their effort on the pitch. We get 2 more games to go against some teams from Lagos. We hope say those 2 games it will make Bendel Insurance qualify go the National Premier League, which will be the achievements when the deputy governor and the whole Edo people they wish for the state. From Sam Ogbomoso Stadium, my name now Ufoma Owanogo reporting from TMC TV. Thank you.
This now the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give you now. My name now Ehimema Ihimi from TMC TV.